Hello my friends and welcome to another Tuesday of tutorial. I am Leonardo Pereznieto and today we will draw a zombie hand with a slight 3D effect. We sharpen our charcoal lead in this beautiful Kaweco lead holder. And we begin with a blocking technique. That is, we will enclose the general shape of the hand and arm with a few lines. This technique is very effective to get your proportions right. Then some key guidelines, like this one that will show me where the index finger goes. This one's for the other fingers, knuckles and the thumb. This hand will be tense, like trying to grab something or something like that. Obviously, this is a Halloween special. We add wrinkles, tendons and nails. Very good. It is taking shape. With an eraser we clean up lines that we don't need anymore. At this stage we refine the form and we give more detail. I love the blocking technique. It is really useful. The main idea is to first do the big shapes and then the smaller and smaller ones. Now we begin shading. First I mark with a line where I want the shading to go and then simply shade that area. In this case I am doing it with parallel lines, although it doesn't really matter because I'm going to smudge it all in a little bit. Let's make this triangle also in shade, like so. Very good. And here. Now for the dark and mysterious atmosphere of the background, I grab a big piece of charcoal and sandpaper and create a lot of dust around the hand. With a chamois in this case or with a rag, we can smudge it. And for a little more detail, let's do it with a brush, a soft brush. With this we can also carefully do some of the shading of the hand and give a tone to the hand in general. Let's be bold now and smudge the whole thing to integrate the hand. With a clean piece of the chamois, we can lift some of the charcoal to create lights. This is really fun. It is like erasing. And in fact, then with the kneaded eraser, I erase some more to pull some highlights. Good! And now we go back with the charcoal and give a more definite shading. Alright, I want to create a little bit more dramatic shading still and make some more wrinkles. And with the brush we smudge, lightly and carefully. Let's give some texture to the ground, some crackling and openings. And let's darken this area so that we have more contrast. What do you think? Is it a bit spooky? We make something here like a platform and it's ready. Please have a lot of fun in Halloween, and if you enjoyed the tutorial, please give it a like, share it to your friends and subscribe to find our tips. And I will see you on Tuesday.